Why am I looking good today? Good morning! TJ is tired. He just came back last night from a intense hockey game that he carried on his back, allegedly. Are we gonna say it right now? Should I say it right now? We're giving away the kit!
We need to take it apart.
We're taking the van, baby.
Well, we should take it apart because when they come to pick it up, there's no way they're gonna fit all this in their car. We should just take it apart.
TJ's just a good guy. Today we're gonna drive up to Julian, sit there and wait for one of you guys to show up and take this kid off our hands. TJ was like, I'm doing the real memes now, and I want someone to have my memes. Take my memes. Someone's gonna be stoked. They just got a fucking kit for free. Wide body kit, everything, Teach. Oh wow. I'm getting my pants dirty. God damn it.
The plan for today is to give this Rocket Bunny kit away to any of you guys. The method that I thought of the past day and a half is we're gonna drive 46.3 miles east. That's inland for us. And we're gonna go to a location, provide a longitude and latitude of where we are, and literally say the first person that shows up to our location with a BRZ or FRS gets the kit. We're gonna be very specific when we announce this that you cannot come in any other car. You can't come in your truck, you can't come in your minivan, you can't come with your dad and be like, oh, I have a BRZ, I have an FRS, here's a picture, here's my Instagram. That does not count. The only way we are giving this kit away is if the person shows up with an 86. Whether that means someone shows up with their car and then waits for their dad or waits for a friend to come bring a truck to pick up the kit, or if they think they can fit that in the whole entire car, which I doubt they could. The rules are you have to have a BRZ with you. We're gonna post this on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, pretty much all the social medias, record the video at our location and provide the longitude and latitude, and the games begin. I'm thinking it's gonna take no more than 2 hours for somebody to show up.
We're gonna end up eating like 8 pies before someone shows up, dude. It's gonna. Julian is so far.
I planned it. Yeah. Well, so the reason why it's so far away, not like a normal location or somewhere in the city, we kind of wanted to give everyone a fair chance to go to the location. I mean, if we went to the heart of downtown San Diego, and I'm like, yo, the first person that finds us gets it, there could be someone down the street and like, but you know what I mean? And like, I want to give everyone a chance to find it, look at it, look up the location, like, fuck, I need to drive 45 minutes. Fuck, I need to drive an hour and a half. Fuck, I need to drive 2 hours. I don't know. But that way it kind of adds a little risque to it. Imagine if you were in like LA and you were the first person to see it and you're like, fuck, it's 2 hours, I need to drive right now. And then like someone, you know, half hour away sees it an hour and a half later and then it's like a battle. It would just be cool.
Also, it's a really, really nice drive.
Yes.
So bring your 86 to this spot. It's a great drive.
My biggest concern is, what if like someone who's not a subscriber, my assumption is everyone's gonna be tagging all their friends in this post, and what if someone who doesn't even watch the videos like is there first? I'm thinking about maybe like asking like a couple questions if I think they don't watch the videos. What's my dog's name and how many colors has my BRZ been? I don't know, something like that, just to make sure. I want to make sure it goes to a subscriber and not just some like, I don't want like the video to get reposted on like the forums or like a Facebook page and then someone who doesn't even know of us grabs it because it's free. You know what I'm saying? I've been wanting to do this idea for a pretty long time, so I'm happy I get to make it happen today. Alright, so we just got to our destination. We are at the Julian Pie Company. Locally, this is a really good place to go to get pies kind of up in the mountains. And it's a beautiful drive to get here. So we're going to park it here on the side of the road. I'm going to film the Instagram video, Snapchat video, and send out a tweet and provide the longitude and latitude. And it's game on. I really hope someone comes up. Like, what if nobody shows? Then we're screwed. Then we just like, just drove an hour in the mountains and
try again later on the beach.
All right, there it is, Cal.
33.1107 and longitude is negative 116.6749. I'm giving away my Rocket Bunny kit to one of you guys that watches this video.
I want no fuck ups here.
I'm giving away my Rocket Bunny to one of you guys that watches this video. I'm gonna provide a longitude and longitude. Whoever finds me first is gonna get this free Rocket Bunny kit for a BRZ. I'm gonna provide my latitude and longitude in the bottom of this video. You can only get the kit for free if you show up with the BRZ or FRS. You can't show up with like a truck or anything of that sort. Even if you show me a picture of the BRZ you own, it doesn't count. You get this Rocket Bunny kit for free, my old kit, if you show up with an FRS or BRZ. The first person that gets here takes it, no questions asked. Me and Calvin are waiting out here. We're in California. Try and find us. Good luck. I hope you end up winning it. So I just posted on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and Twitter, and Calvin is doing the same. We provided the coordinates. I'm really excited. I hope whoever gets it actually uses it and doesn't just keep it. I really would like to see this kit get passed on and actually used. I think that'd be pretty cool. So I think while we wait, I seriously need to pee, and I think we might go get some pie and pass some time. Are you shitting your pants over here?
Dude, I can't do that. I should have trusted that fart.
Yeah, you're wearing the white pants. I gotta show you this.
Oh no.
Straight out of Julian.
I got the original, Teach.
Original, you're playing. You're nasty. You're nasty.
Your hair looks...
You're nasty.
Your hair looks dumb. I wanted to try the original. I haven't tried the original.
The post has now been up for 26 minutes. There's about 400 comments.
It's going crazy.
A lot of people are saying they're on their way. We can see the roads coming in and out of this place.
Oh shit. I didn't even notice that. We'll see him come up from over there.
So that road right there is from like the city. So if they're hauling ass, we're gonna see an 86 just ripping it down this road. And then it's up to him to make sure he doesn't overshoot our location because there's one entrance into this dirt lot, which is over there.
Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, have fun. Don't get speeding tickets. That's the name of the game. It's now been 1 hour. Calvin has been live streaming on Instagram for the past 20 minutes. No one has showed up yet. Our hopes are high. My shins are sunburned. My ankles are sunburned. It's getting hot and sweaty. Please, someone get here quick. Oh, that is not an 86.
Damn, why does everything
We
look
just
like
had a false alarm. No, well, it had an exhaust. It was like a silver Mitsubishi Eclipse. So from way out there, we were like, dude, that's an 86. And I could still hear it. That's an 86! Does he even know? Does he? Oh my God, he has no idea! He has no idea! Oh no! Oh my God! Dude, that guy just got fucked!
Have a nice day.
RIP population U, bro.
That was an 86, for sure.
I told you it was an 86. Alright, well that was our first 86 that went by us. And by the odds, he wasn't here for us. Damn. Alright, well, 20 minutes have passed since the last time I talked to you guys. Let you know when anything happens.
That's a beer.
Mate, that's a blue BRZ. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we may have a winner. Oh, he's driving with urgency. Oh, shit. Oh, we got ourselves a winner. Got that and it's on live stream.
Nice.
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I was racing this orange FRS2 all the way over here.
Really?
I think it skipped his turn.
Really? Dude,
Yeah.
we literally just heard someone like drive by with like a catback exhaust. And we were like, it was an 86 for sure.
Yeah, it was, and I was like going 97. I come from Escondido. San Marcos, kind of like San Marcos.
Damn.
Nice.
Hi. You're already wide-bodied.
I got it like this, but then, I don't know, I really like that kid.
Okay, man. I can't deny it, man. You are the winner. Congratulations, dude.
How are you gonna get it out of here?
I'll find somebody.
Yeah, he'll find. Yeah, I was gonna say.
somebody.
That's awesome, dude. You want to say anything to the vlog? We've been sitting here for a long time. So we've been waiting to meet you. Do you have anything to say to anybody? Get fucked?
Yeah.
I won. No. So this is the guy that missed the turn?
Yeah.
No! Oh man. So this guy was following the blue BRZ, but he got here second. You're too late!
My GPS stopped working, I went straight up.
He said he was following you, and then you went straight. We saw you go by, and I was filming it, and I was like, no! Dude, what's your name?
Alejandro.
Dude, nice to meet you. Where'd you come from?
Escondido.
Oh no! Damn, street killer.
3 cars too late.
All good. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I was just like, dude, I wanna meet you guys. This is a nice looking car.
man. That is awesome.
What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Damn, when'd you get those? Oh, another one. Another one.
Everyone was like so close within each other.
Yeah, fuck.
I didn't think I was gonna make it. I was just like, I want to come out and like.
Yeah, I don't know. I think a lot of people would just like try and make it out here anyway.
Yeah,
That's like 2.5 hours.
not like an hour 10.
Hauling ass. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, I like the shirt.
What's your name?
Ryan.
You're the 4th person.
Really?
I appreciate it was. Yeah, you're the 4th person here, man.
Hey, you did good. You did good, man.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The ride is fucking good.
Yeah, dude, the drive is good,
No,
right?
the drive is nice.
It's a good, dude.
I fucking drove past, my friend sent me the wrong,
Oh.
the fucking wrong Google Maps, so I drove all the way up there.
Wait,
I was
was it
doing like
your-
120
Wait,
up there.
that was you.
Yeah, that was me.
That was you.
Hold ass.
Oh, you were the first, dude.
Fuck. Really? Dude, we were like,
Oh, dude, you turned left.
no, where's that guy going?
My
You'll
fucking
see.
friend sent me the wrong.
Dude, I was like this.
That's an 86.
Does he even know? Does he? Oh my god, he has no idea! He has no idea! Oh, it's over here like I'm over here!
Yeah, we were we were waving you away like bye. That was you, it was silver.
Vlog tomorrow, you'll
Yeah.
see yourself on
Oh.
full ass. Yeah, you like did an overtake right here. Yeah.
I'm so sorry, dude.
I'm so sorry, dude. That is so brutal. This is a really cool idea. A lot of you seem to like it, especially on social media. Definitely gonna have to do this again, whether it's with other car parts or.
You guys will have to jump.
You know what would be sick? Is if we did a car build and then gave it away, but did like whoever finds us first.
Complicated.
Damn, a whole car.
But damn,
That'd be sick. That's crazy though.
how sick would that be?
Maybe we'll think.
I like
about
this
it.
idea.
We'll think
I haven't
about
seen
it,
anyone else
yeah.
do it, so I think we're gonna have to patent this and keep on doing it. I think we'll probably hang out here for like 10 more minutes because I'm sure a bunch more 86 are on their way. We'll say what's up and we'll say hello to everyone, and then we gotta get back going. Sabrina's been on my ass all day. We can't miss dinner tonight, Cal. So yeah, I can't miss that.
My favorite thing is just seeing a whole bunch of 86s together.
I wish I had mine here.
Yeah. Too bad yours is broke.
It's not broke. It's just getting redone. That barely fits.
Dude, we were struggling in the cross trek, and this thing's like taking it like a champ.
Dude, BRZ can fit so much more than what people think.
I don't know.
Oh, dude, there's no way. Maybe if you turn around and you put the corner in first and you wrap it, but it's too tall. I don't. Well, that was awesome. That
Great
was
idea.
so awesome.
Let's do that. Different location next time.
Yeah, it was exactly how we thought. There'd be like an hour of no one showing up, and then at like the same like 20-minute frame, everyone's just gonna pile in. That's exactly what happened.
Ford Explorer came, Mustang. There was a kid. Did you point it out
Yeah.
to them though?
The gray car.
Yeah,
the first guy.
Did you
who blew
explain it though?
Yeah.
Okay. Can't believe it, dude. Get fucked.
You gotta love that.
This is way too loud, dude.
That sounds insane.
That sounds good, right?
I'm trying to get that.
That's that tune, man.
I'm gonna get that sick.
We've passed so many 86s going the opposite way. Odds are they're going to the location we were just at. We've passed 3 of them going that way. If you're watching this vlog, we saw you. I'm sorry we missed you.
Okay, so this has definitely been a first for me. I just woke up to blue licking my face. I fell asleep editing this video last night, and it's now the next morning, and I still haven't ended the video, so I'm ending the video now. I really need to start catching up on my sleep. Blue, stop it. I hope you guys enjoyed the idea because we loved it. Alright, I need to edit this video and then start today's vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, peace out and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling